Hi, Matt here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is another quick walk around video, this time of a Mercedes C63 AMG. This car comes in Lunar Blue. You can see you've got the standard 19-inch AMG alloy wheels. You've got some standard chrome trim elements around this car on the front grille, the lower parts of the front bumper, the window surrounds, as well as the badging and some of the trim on the rear of the car. You've got a small lip spoiler, part of the AMG package. You've got the quad chrome exhaust tailpipes from the sports exhaust system, again part of the AMG package. You can see you've got these standard tail lights and standard LED headlights on this car. You can also see here a quick close-up of the handcrafted 6.3 litre V8 engine. Moving to the inside of the car now, you can see the full leather interior with the racing style seats. You can see the leather wrapped multi-function steering wheel here. You've got cruise control as standard with this car, as well as a electrical steering column, which is quite rare for a car of this age. On the center console here, you can see access to the drive select modes, as well as the gear stick here, leather wrapped with the Mercedes badge on it. Moving up, you've got access to the heated seat functions, as well as the thermotromic climate control. And lastly, you've got the memory functions on the door card, as well as the speakers and some of the other controls for the windows and mirrors. If you'd like any more information on this C63 AMG, please don't hesitate to contact one of our sales team through the number at the end, or inquire through our website.